Dear students, welcome to Edu Allrounder channel. Today we are going to learn how to write letter to editor regarding deteriorating law and order situation in the city. It is one of the burning topic. You are Aniket of 123/25 Basavanagudi, Bangalore. Write a letter to editor of the Swaraj daily newspaper regarding deteriorating law and order situation in the city. Here the name, place, everything is imaginary. They will just give like this in your exam and say write a letter. You have to write in simple language. The letter should be simple and clear. Your expression should be very clear regarding the matter. Here, already I have told you in the first lesson, the sender's address comes first. Sender's address. You already know this. The sender's address comes first here. Then comes the date. Date you have to write like this: 18th December 2021. Not like this. You have to write like this: 18th December 2021. Then comes the receiver's designation. Here the designation is he is the editor of a newspaper. The editor, the Swaraj daily newspaper, Bangalore. Whatever they give, the given thing you have to write here, the given address, the receiver's address you have to write. First sender's address, then date, then receiver's address. In the new format of letter writing, everything comes your left hand side. Don't confuse, everything comes on your left hand side. Then salutation. The salutation, simple salutation for editor we will call sir. In the new CBSE syllabus they have also given don't use any punctuation mark. Therefore I have not given here punctuation mark. In state syllabus you can use punctuation marks. They have not told anything about these things. Subject. Then comes the, after salutation comes the subject. Deteriorating law and order situation in the city. This is the subject. I would like to draw the attention of the authorities about the deteriorating law and order situation in the city through your esteemed newspaper. Usually we will write like this: through your esteemed newspaper or your popular newspaper. I would like to draw the attention of the authorities. To whom? To police. They have not mentioned. To commissioner they have not mentioned. Therefore I have to write only to the, to draw the attention of the authorities. I would like to draw the attention of the authorities about the deteriorating law and order situation in the city through your esteemed newspaper. Through which way we want to convey the message to the authorities? Through the newspaper. Chain snatching, kidnapping, pickpocketing. You have to give some details. What are the illegal activities? What are the problems people facing in everyday life? Chain snatching. You are reading in the newspaper every day. Chain snatching, kidnapping, pickpocketing, etc. illegal activities increasing day by day in our city. Therefore, concerned authorities look into the matter seriously and take appropriate steps to maintain law and order in the city. It is very important. What they have to make? Appropriate steps. They have to take appropriate steps to maintain law and order in the city. Who concerned authorities look into the matter seriously and take appropriate steps to maintain law and order in the city. Then you have to give thanks for the editor, because who is the person responsible for publishing your letter. Therefore, you should thank him. Thanking you, sir, yours faithfully, yours truly. Like that, you have to end the letter. Closing of the letter. Thanking you, sir, yours faithfully. Here they have given name Aniket. Like that, you have to write. In the end, you can write the postal address of your sender's postal address can be written here with a pin code, some imaginary. If that is given in your question paper, you have to write that address. This is the letter regarding deteriorating law and order situation in the city. This type of questions usually asked many times in many states, including CBSE. You have to learn to write this type of letter easily in a clear way. ऐसे क्वेश्चंस बहुत बार पूछा है एग्ज़ाम में, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एग्ज़ाम में, इन क्लास 10th एंड सम कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम में भी ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछता है. इसलिए आपको ऐसा लेटर लिखने को आना चाहिए. ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ಪತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅನೇಕ ಬಾರಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದ ಕಾರಣ ಈ ಕಾನೂನು ಮತ್ತು ಸುವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಕುರಿತಾದ ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ಪತ್ರಗಳು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರೆಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥ ಸೆಂಡರ್ಸ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಸೀವರ್ಸ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪದರಲ್ಲೇ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಬರುವ ಹಾಗೆ ಪತ್ರವನ್ನು ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಅಗೈನ್ ವಿತ್ ಅನದರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್. I am giving you most of the letters which may come in your exam. Those who have not yet subscribed to our channel, subscribe and watch regularly our channel. It will be very helpful to your exam and study. Thank you.